Have you ever looked up at your roof and wondered, is it time for a repair or a replacement? The roofing industry is more than just slapping shingles on a structure. It's about safeguarding your home and your investment. Ignoring the signs of damage can lead to costly repairs and a home that feels less safe. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Let's get into how effective blogging can be your secret weapon in attracting roofing customers while building trust and authority in this competitive space. Number 1. Choose the right roofing material. Homeowners often grapple with selecting materials that fit their style and withstand local weather. Educating them on options like metal roofs for snowy climates or asphalt shingles for cost-effectiveness can guide them toward a wise investment. Number 2. Spot signs your roof needs repair. Many overlook subtle indicators like curling shingles or granules in gutters. Highlighting these signs can prompt homeowners to take action before minor issues evolve into major headaches. Number 3. Seasonal roof maintenance tips. Each season brings unique challenges. In fall, clearing gutters prevents ice dams in winter. In spring, inspections can catch damage caused by harsh weather. A seasonal checklist can keep roofs in top shape year-round. Number 4. Address common roofing problems and solutions. Homeowners face issues like leaks and poor ventilation. Providing clear solutions, such as when to call a professional versus dabbling in DIY repairs, empowers them to maintain their roofs effectively. Number 5. Emphasize the benefits of roof inspections. Regular checks can uncover hidden problems before they escalate. Encouraging proactive inspections, especially post-storm, can save homeowners from unexpected expenses. Number 6. Explore energy-efficient roofing options. Homeowners are increasingly concerned about energy costs. Showcasing materials that reflect sunlight or improve insulation can appeal to their desire for sustainability and savings. Number 7. Discuss DIY versus professional roof repairs. While DIY might seem appealing, the risks involved can outweigh the benefits. Advising homeowners on when to call in the pros ensures they get quality work without unnecessary hazards. Number 8. Prepare your roof for winter. Sharing tips on preventing ice dams and ensuring proper drainage equips homeowners to face winter with confidence, avoiding damage and costly repairs. Number 9. Explain the roof replacement process. Many dread the thought of replacing their roof due to uncertainty. By outlining what to expect from inspections to installation timelines, you can ease their worries and foster trust. Number 10. Teach how to spot a roof leak early. Early detection is key to avoiding extensive water damage. Simple tips for spotting leaks can empower homeowners to take quick action and consult professionals when needed. Imagine this. Your roof is silently suffering while you go about your daily life, unaware of the impending disasters that await. What if a storm hits and you find yourself facing massive leaks? This scenario isn't just possible, it's happening to countless homeowners right now. Don't let this happen to you. Stay informed and proactive about your roofing needs by visiting bighomeprojects.com. Our platform connects you with trusted roofing contractors who can help you navigate these challenges with ease and confidence. Take control of your home's safety today.